to our Happy Edu Quiz. My name is Makame Salim. I'm the summarizer. As usual, I'm not alone here. I'm with the high table there, as you can see. So allow me to give this opportunity to the quiz mistress to introduce herself. Please, quiz mistress, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you, Mr. Summarizer. My name is Mwanajuma Makame Ali. I'm the quiz mistress. I welcome you all to Happy Edu Quiz. Students and dear listener, I want you students to give me the big clapping so as we can start and we can proceed. Okay, give me a big clapping.
Thank you, quiz mistress. Now it's the time for the chief judge to have a brief introduction of herself. Please, chief judge, welcome and have yourself an introduction.
Thank you, Mr. Summarizer. Hello, everyone.
Hello.
My name is Salma Hassan. I'm the chief judge. Thank you.
Thank you, chief judge. Now it's the time for the assistant judge to have an introduction of herself. Please welcome.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Summarizer. I'm Wasil Abdullah. I'm the judge. Thank you.
Thank you, the high table, for your wonderful and a brief introduction of yourself. Now, as I have mentioned earlier on, that we have students from Madungu secondary schools and students from Jang'ombe secondary school. So now is the time for the quiz mistress to proceed with our quiz today. Quiz mistress,
Thank you
please
again,
welcome.
Mr. Summarizer. Thank you again. Thank you all and the students. As Mr. Summarizer said, we have the school of Madungu and also we have the school of Jang'ombe Secondary School. And now allow me to give them chance to introduce themselves, starting with a student of Madungu Secondary School. Please introduce yourselves.
My name is Ali Suleiman Ali from Madungu Secondary School.
Thank you.
My name is Yusra Said Masudi from Madungu Secondary School.
Thank you.
And I am Salma Rubea Ali from Madungu Secondary School.
At the end, I am Omar Makame Isa at Madungu Secondary School.
Thank you all students from Madungu Secondary School. Give yourself big clapping. Now it's time for Jang'ombe Secondary School students to introduce themselves, starting with a student of Jang'ombe Boy. Please.
My name is Abdul Halim Haji Ramazan from Jang'ombe Secondary School.
Thank you.
My name is Warda Timgen Moombwa from Jang'ombe Secondary School.
Thank you.
My name is Sumaya Hamad Ali from Jang'ombe Secondary School.
Thank you.
My name is Masudi Hamis from Jang'ombe Secondary School.
Thank you all students from Jang'ombe Secondary School. I want you to give me that 2 clap. Thank you. Now, dear listener, viewer and students, Happy Edu Quiz is a game of mind, intellectual, interest and enjoyable. And now here are the rules of the game. So I want you students to listen to me, the rules, and you can follow the rules as we can start and continue with the game. Are you ready, students?
Yes.
Okay, now let's start with the rule A. A. Don't interrupt the speaker when he or she speaks. Don't interrupt the speaker when he or she speaks. B. Use your time properly to answer the question. Use your time properly to answer the question. C. Use positive language. Use positive language. D. Raise up your hand if you want to say something. Raise up your hand if you want to say something. And E. Avoid bad emotion. Teams, have you understood the rules of this competition?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Happy Edu Quiz always has 4 rounds, which are toss-up, face-to-face, time-to-turn, and thunderstorm. Students, I want you to give me the big clapping. 2 clap. Thank you. And now I'm going to start the first round called as Toss-Up Round.
Edu Quiz. Hey, Edu Quiz. Happy Edu Quiz.
In Toss-Up Round, we will have 8 questions. Each team will be asked 4 questions. Any member from the team may answer the question within 10 seconds. Points will be given when the teams give the correct answer. Questions will not be repeated to the other team. So students, I want you to not repeat the question, and you have to answer the question when I ask you by choosing the number of the question. Then I'll read the question for you. Now I'm going to take the box. After that, I will ask the question when the students choose the question number inside the box. And I'm starting with the Jang'ombe now. I want you student of Jang'ombe to pick a paper and read the number that you choose. Please, any of you can choose and pick the question number.
Number 5.
Student of Jang'ombe has picked and choose question number 5. Question number 5. What is NH3 chemical name?
Ammonia.
Correct answer. Now I take the box to Madungu Secondary School. I want student of Madungu Secondary School to pick a paper and show to us the number that you choose.
It's number 7.
Question number 7. Who is the current second Vice President of Zanzibar?
Honorable Hamed Suleiman Abdullah.
Honorable Hamed Suleiman Abdullah. Correct answer. Now I take the box to Jang'ombe Secondary School. I want any of you students to pick the paper and read the number that you choose, please.
Number 6.
Student of Jang'ombe Secondary School has picked and choose question number 6, which is question number 6. A bond where electrons are shared is called a covalent bond. Is it true or false?
True.
Now I take the box to Madungu Secondary School. I want you students to pick and choose question number, then I'll read the question for you.
It is number 4.
Question number 4. Photosynthesis is generally takes place in which parts of the plant? A. Leaf, B. Stem, and C. Roots.
A. Leaves.
Correct answer. Now I take the box to Jang'ombe Secondary School and I want you students of Jang'ombe, please pick the paper and read the number that you choose for us, please.
Number 1.
Question number 1. Process by which heat is transferred by movement of a heated fluid such as air or water are called dash.
Thermal expansion.
You missed the answer. Now I take the box to Madungu Secondary School. Please pick the number of the question, then read it, please.
It is number 2.
Question number 2. Dash is an electrical safety device that operates to provide overcurrent protection of an electrical circuit.
Fuse.
Correct answer. Now I take the box to Jang'ombe Secondary School. I want your student to pick here. Please pick the paper and read the number that you choose, please.
Question number 8.
Student of Jang'ombe Secondary School has picked question number 8, which is which forest is the biggest in Zanzibar?
Yozani Forest.
Correct answer. Now the box is here. I want you students to pick the paper and read the number.
Number 3.
Student of Madungu Secondary School has choose question number 3, which is plants receive their nutrients mainly from A. Chlorophyll, B. Light, and C. Soil. Which is the answer?
Soil.
Correct answer. And here we have completed the first round. Well done, students. So best trying. Give yourself many clap. Big yourself many clap.
Edu Quiz. Hey Edu Quiz. Happy Edu Quiz.
We are in the second round. And this round is called as Face-to-Face Round. In this round, there will be questions which need very quick answer. So the one who ring the bell first from any school may be given chance to answer. So I want you students to be very ready for this round. And so as you can ring the bell when the time is going to start. And I'm going to ask you the question direct to you students for both teams, and you will answer me when you have the answer. So now I start by asking question number 1, which is question number 1. A chemical reaction where energy is released is called A. Exothermic, B. Displacement reaction, and C. Combination reaction. Student of Madungu, answer the question.
Exothermic reaction.
Correct answer. Question number 2. Substance that is used to speed up a chemical reaction but is not used as part of the reaction is called as... Student of Madungu, answer the question.
Catalyst.
Question number 3. The letter M typically replaces which concept in physics? A. Motion, B. Mass, and C. Miles. Student of Jang'ombe Secondary School, answer the question.
Mass.
Correct answer. Question number 4. Which type of energy does an object have when it is in motion? A. Kinetic energy, B. Thermal energy, and C. Nuclear energy. Student of Madungu Secondary School, answer the question.
Kinetic energy.
Correct answer. Question number 5. Dash is a soft tissue found in both animals and human. What is it? Student of Jang'ombe Secondary School, answer the question.
Bone.
You missed the answer. Question number 6. Question number 6. Dash is a sudden and involuntary response to stimuli. Student of Jang'ombe Secondary School, answer the question.
Muscles cramp.
You missed the answer. Question number 7. Question number 7. What is the capital city in Tanzania? A. Dar es Salaam, B. Zanzibar, C. Dodoma. Which is the correct?
Dodoma.
Student of Madungu Secondary School, correct answer. Question number 8. How many days will be there in February 2024? Student of Jang'ombe Secondary School, answer.
29 days.
Correct answer. You answer correctly. Now we have completed the second round.
Edu Quiz. Hey Edu Quiz. Happy Edu Quiz.
Now we are going to the third round called as Time-to-Turn Round. Called what, students?
Time-to-Turn Round.
Yes, it is a called as Time-to-Turn Round. It is a speed game whereby each team will choose the question from the box and read for another team to answer. So I want them to cooperate each other so as they can start the game and get the winner of the winner. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now we are start. I'm taking the box and I will give them. I want you to pick the paper inside and read the question. Please pick the question and read it, please. But first, please start the number of the question. Then continue to read the question. I want you, student of Jang'ombe, to listen very carefully to the question when he asks you, because he's going to ask only one time.
Question number 6. Say true or false according to the fact of the following statement. Most, but not all, bacteria are unicellular. False or true?
Okay, student of Jang'ombe, answer.
True.
You missed the answer. Now I take the box to student of Jang'ombe. Please pick the paper of the question, then read it, please, so a student of Madungu can answer.
Question number 5.
Okay.
Which biologist who first put forward the theory of evolution?
Student of Madungu, answer.
Darwin.
Half answer. Student of Madungu, half answer. Now I take the box to student of Madungu. Please pick one question and read to another student of Jang'ombe to answer.
Question number 4. Which of the following is derived units? A. Mass, B. Length, C. Velocity.
Student of Jang'ombe, please answer the question.
Mass.
You missed the answer. Student of Jang'ombe, you missed the answer. Now I take the box to you, student of Jang'ombe. Now please pick the question and read it, please, so student of Madungu can answer.
Question number 1. What is the number of electrons in a sodium atom? A. 30, B. 11, C. 20.
B.
Student of Madungu Secondary School, answer the question.
B. 11.
Correct answer. Now I take the box to Madungu Secondary School. I want you student to pick here the question, then read please.
It's question number 3.
Okay.
The dimension formula for impulse is the same as dimensional formula for A, momentum, B, force, C, torque.
Student of Jang'ombe Secondary School, answer the question.
A. Momentum.
Correct answer. Now I take the box to you, student of Jang'ombe. I want you to read the question so a student of Madungu can answer. Now please read the number that you choose and continue to read the question.
Number 8.
Okay.
A combination of methane, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen sulfide, and trace of few other gases is called.
Student of Madungu Secondary School, answer the question.
Ammonia.
You missed the answer. Now I take the box to Madungu Secondary School. Now student, I want you to read the question inside the paper, and student of Jang'ombe will answer the question that you ask.
It is question number 7.
Okay.
Any substance that upon combustion produce a usable amount of energy is known as.
Student of Jang'ombe Secondary School, answer the question.
Transducer.
You missed the answer. Now I take the box to you, student of Jang'ombe. I want you to pick the question and read please.
What is the chemical name?
Please read the number of the question, then continue to read
Question
the
number 2.
Okay.
What is the chemical name of the compound K2CO3?
Please, student of Madungu Secondary School, answer the question.
The answer is kryptonite.
You missed the answer. And here we have completed the 3rd round. Well done, students, for best trying. Give yourself many clapping.
Edu Quiz. Hey Edu Quiz. Happy Edu Quiz.
Now we are going to the 4th round called the Thunderstorm Round. It's the last round of our Happy Edu Quiz competition. Dear listening viewer, please don't go away, be with us. And here we are starting the 4th round called the Thunderstorm Round. Give yourself clapping. 3 clapping. Yes, thank you. Thunderstorm Round is the last round of our Happy Edu Quiz competition. In this round, question will be answered in relay form. A question will have 4 parts of answer. Students should answer only one part of the answer, while other students will complete the remaining parts. Is it clear, students?
Yes.
And are you ready?
Yes.
Is it clear, students?
Yes.
And are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Question number 1. Name the law of the following formula. A. Pressure times volume is equal to constant.
Boy's law.
B. Volume over absolute pressure is equal to constant.
Charles' law.
C. Voltage over current is equal to constant.
Ohm's law.
D. Force over extension is equal to constant.
Hooke's law.
Okay. Question number 2 are going to Jang'ombe Secondary School, and the question is, what is the value of the following trigonometric? A. The value of tangent 45 degrees is dash.
5.
B. The value of sine 90 degrees is dash.
0.
3. The value of cosine 0 degrees is dash.
6.
D. The value of tangent 0 degrees is dash.
10.
Question number 3 is going to Madungu Secondary School, and the question is, what are the 4 types of adverbs? First student. Second student.
Proverb.
Third student. Third student. Fourth student. Okay, Okay, the time is up. Question number 4 is going to Jang'ombe Secondary School, and the question is, what are the types of nouns?
Common noun.
Second student.
Abstract noun.
Third student. Third student. Fourth student. Okay, the time is up. Question number 5 are going to Madungu Secondary School, and the question is, what are the 4 planets in their order from the sun?
Mercury,
Venus,
Mars.
Okay, the question number 6 and the final question are going to Jang'ombe Secondary School, and the question is, what are the main conditions that affect weather? First student.
Temperature.
Second student. Third student.
Pollution.
Fourth student.
Environment.
Okay, and here we have completed the first round. Well done, students, for best trying. Give yourself many clapping. Dear listening viewer, we have completed all rounds. We start with the first round toss-up, then we come to second round, face-to-face, then we come to turn-to-turn, and finally we are here in the Thunderstorm round. Here we have completed all the rounds. Now, I welcome Mr. Summarizer to give us summarization for the question missed. Then, he welcomes the chief judge to announce the winner of the game. Please be with us. Welcome Mr. Summarizer. Give him the many clapping. Students, please welcome Mr. Summarizer with many clapping. Welcome, Mr. Summarizer.
Edu Quiz. Hey Edu Quiz. Happy Edu Quiz.
Now is the time to make corrections, but before making corrections, I want to say congratulations to both teams. You did really amazing job today. Congratulations to all of you. Okay, so in the first round there, we had 8 questions. Each team had the opportunity to answer 4 questions. And just one question you missed from the 8, the first round. And that is a reflection how curious and how intelligent you are. So the question number 1 that you didn't answer correctly is a process by which heat is transferred by movement of a heated fluid such as air or water is called convection. It's called convection. So the right answer is convection. And here is the end for the correction from the first round.
Edu Quiz. Hey Edu Quiz. Happy Edu Quiz.
Now is the time to move on to the correction to the second round, which was a face-to-face round. It was a face-to-face round. There, as usual, we had 8 questions, and you did answer correctly 6 questions. You just missed 2 questions there, question number 5 and question number 6. So generally, you did wonderful. Congratulations to you all. Question number 5, it was saying, dash is a soft tissue found in both animals and humans. What is it? It's a common tissue found in both animals and humans. What is it? So the correct answer is muscle. We find muscle in both, in human and animals. Okay? Question number 6, dash is a sudden and involuntary response to stimuli. Is a sudden and involuntary response to stimuli. The correct answer is reflex action. It is called a reflex action. Okay? And here is the end for the correction from the second round. We are just going to the third round. Just stay where you are. We'll be back soon.
Edu Quiz. Hey Edu Quiz. Happy Edu Quiz.
Okay, welcome back to our Happy Edu Quiz. Now is the time to make correction. And now We are in the third round of our quiz competition. We are making correction. And it was called a Time-to-Turn Round. It was a Time-to-Turn Round. Each student got an opportunity to ask and be answered his or her question. There we had 8 questions as usual. You did answer correctly 2 questions, question number 1 and question number 3, but you missed 6 questions there. So we are going to start our correction from the question number 2. Okay, now we are moving to the question number 2. Question number 2, it was saying, what is the chemical name of the compound K2CO3? The chemical name of the compound K2CO3. And the correct answer is potassium carbonate. It is a potassium carbonate. We are moving to the question number 4. Question number 4. Which of the following is a derived unit? A, mass, B, length, and C, velocity. So the correct answer is C, which is a velocity. Question number 5. Which biologist who first put forward the theory of evolution? When we talk about evolution, we talk about Charles Darwin. So biologist who put forward the theory of evolution is Charles Darwin. Question number 6. Question number 6. Say true or false according to the fact of the following statement. It can be most, but not all, bacteria are unicellular. So the correct answer is false. The correct answer is false. Question number 7. Question number 7. Any substance that upon combustion produce a usable amount of energy is known as fuel. Is known as fuel. Question number 8. Question number 8 says that a combination of methane, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen sulfide, and traces of few other gases is called biogas. And here, and for the correction from the third round of our quiz competition. Please don't move. We'll be back just in a few seconds.
Edu Quiz, hey Edu Quiz, Happy Edu Quiz,
Okay, welcome back to our Happy Edu Quiz competition. And now is the time to make correction. As you have watched just a few minutes earlier on, that we are in 4th round now, and the 4th round, it was called a thunderstorm. What we call a 4th round? A thunderstorm. And it was really a thunderstorm because there you did answer only 2 questions. You've answered correctly only 2 questions out of 6. Question number 1 and question number 5. You answered them correctly. So now we are making corrections starting with question number 2 because you have answered correctly question number 1. Question number 2, it was saying, what is the value of the following trigonometric? What is the value of the following trigonometric? 1, Roman 1, the value of tangent 45 degrees is 1. The correct answer is 1. Roman 2, the value of sine 90 degrees is also 1. Is also 1. Roman 3, the value of cosine 0 degrees is also 1. The correct answer is 1. And lastly, Roman 4, the value of tangent 0 degrees is 0. Because the value of tangent 0 degrees is 0. And here is the end for the question number 2. We are moving to the question number 3. Question number 3, what are the 4 types of adverbs? We have a lot of types of adverbs, but we just asked you to mention only 4 types of adverbs. We have adverbs of time. We have also adverbs of manner. We have adverbs of place. They come from Madungu Secondary School. Okay? We have also adverbs of frequency. Usually, always, those are adverbs of frequency. We have also adverbs of degree. adverb of degree level of doing something. So those are some of the adverbs that you have failed to mention. Now we are moving to the question number 4. Question number 4, what does it say? It says, what are the 4 types of nouns? What are the 4 types of nouns? You did fail to mention them, but you've just mentioned maybe 2 of them. We have proper nouns. Proper nouns. They are called proper nouns. We have also abstract nouns. They are nouns that are called abstract. We have also collective nouns. We also have concrete nouns. Those are some of the nouns. We have material nouns also. We have countable nouns. We have uncountable nouns. Those are some of the types of nouns. So you have been asked to mention just 4. We have also singular nouns. We have plural nouns. Okay, why we call them nouns? Because they are names. They can be names of people, places, buildings, countries, emotions, feelings. Okay? Now we are moving to the question number 6. Question number 6. What are the 4 main conditions that affect weather? Weather can be affected by so many conditions, but we want you to mention only 4 of them. Weather can be affected by 1, temperature. Okay. 2, air pressure. Air pressure. 3, humidity. Humidity can affect weather. 4, cloudiness. Cloudiness. There are some clouds that can affect the weather condition. And 5, weather can be affected by wind. There's a lot of wind. The weather can be affected also. And here, I hope that everything is clear for you.
Yes.
Everything is clear?
Yes.
Okay, and here is the end for our quiz competition for today in terms of making corrections. But it's the time now to welcome the Chief Judge to announce the final results of our quiz competition today. So, Chief Judge, please, you are welcome to have a final say of our Happy Edu Quiz competition for today. Now is your time. Please welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Summarizer, for giving me the last chance to announce the results of our Happy Edu Quiz competition.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Madungu Secondary School, for your best performance, and also congratulations, Jang'ombe Secondary School, for your best performance. In a competition, there are always winners and losers, but in educational ground, all of them are winners. No losers, no winners, okay?
Yes. Yes.
And I hope you got a lot of things through this game. And I'm sure you don't be disappointed about the results that are coming now. Now, let me to announce the results for all rounds, okay?
Okay.
The first round, known as Toss-Up. Jang'ombe Secondary School got 18 marks, and Madungu Secondary School got 24 marks. The second round, known as Face-to-Face. Jang'ombe Secondary School got 12 marks, and Madungu Secondary School got 24 marks. The third round, known as Time-to-Turn. Jang'ombe Secondary School got 7 marks, and Madungu Secondary School got 10 marks. And the last round, known as Thunderstorm. Jang'ombe Secondary School got 6 marks, and Madungu Secondary School got 16 marks. So the total marks for all round, Jang'ombe Secondary School got 43 marks, and the Madungu Secondary School got 74 marks. So according to our results, I announce Madungu Secondary School as the winner of today in our Happy Edu Quiz competition. Congratulations, Madungu Secondary School, for winning.
Thank you. Thank you, Chief Judge. So congratulations to Madungu Secondary School, and congratulations also to Jang'ombe Secondary School. You did all wonderful job. Before closing the program, I would like to take this opportunity to say a big thank you to Quaker and Good Neighbors and to the Ministry of Education and Vocational Training in Zanzibar. Also, I don't want to forget efforts of our school teachers, teachers from Madungu Secondary School, and teachers also from Jang'ombe Secondary School, for their efforts and for their role allowing students to come here and performed really well. So I would also want to extend our sincere gratitude to the production team of Korara Media Education Center, headed by the producer, scriptwriters, camera persons, directors, coordinators, quiz mistress, judge and assistant judge, chief judge and assistant judge, and also timekeepers for their role in making this happening, and a wonderful job. Congratulations to all of you. And here is the end for our program for today. See you to the next episode. Bye-bye.